Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and we talked in a related video about how there's some exchange critical cumulative updates that were released on August 9th. In addition to that, they also recommend that you enable extended protection against your exchange servers. There's a script you can run to do that. I'll put a link here to a link that explains on how to enable that extended protection. You can only enable that extended protection after you install the August 2022 cumulative update. So you have to do that first and then enable extended protection. It is something we're recommending doing. There are some caveats, like it won't work if you're in hybrid mode and some other stuff. So, but if you can, we recommend enabling extended protection. It is a good idea. It will give you some additional protection on your Exchange server from the bad actors out there. So after you install the cumulative August 2022 cumulative updates, consider enabling the extended protection. That's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there, patch your servers, stay up to date with patches, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.